Hey, this is Celtic from Wicked Witch Production. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to embed an object into a vector file. Um, I had a couple of the girls ask me how to do this, so I'm going to walk me through it real quick. This is a vector graphic, making sure everything is outlined, yeah, those are good. We're going to import our graphic. I'm going to pick this light blue color to fill the moons. I'm going to put it to the back so you can see what you're working with. I'm going to bring it down to the size of the image. We're going to get rid of all this extra. We're going to go to the crop tool. Double click in the middle. Crops it down. Grab your pick tool. Alright, so now we're going to go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, click on the moon. It's in there, and that's all there is to it. It's that easy. You save your file, and then you can export it as a PNG, SVG, whatever you want to use it for. Hope that helps. Have a great night, and see you next time.